at the Gaylord Palms Christmas Village, and we are going to head into Ice and the Grinch Stole Christmas. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Hey, look who it is. I met a celebrity.
Hey everybody, what's going on? PJ Slots and Entertainment here. We're at the Gaylord, the Christmas show.
The Christmas show. We're going into Ice. Well, you can go to the left to the Chili Pass or general admission this way, but there's less traffic and more to see.
Yeah.
So we're heading this way. As you make your way in,
So it looks like
a little information on
the
how
ice is made in China.
the ice came from China. They give you a few warnings, long-term exposures, touch at your own risk because your hand will freeze on here. Some cold weather apparel. There's arrows on the ground as we work our way to the information area. And like she said, there is no line. And then right now there's a video on how they do the ice sculpturing.
In far northeastern China, there is plenty of ice around.
So this ice comes from the far northern China.
Ice sculptures you've come to see. Ice manufacturers use 195,000 gallons of purified water to make.
We got like the fast track. We're gonna come over here and get our jackets. Of course, you can see the queue line here. Nobody in it. We'll see what happens here. We're gonna get our jackets now.
How y'all doing?
We're doing good. How's everybody?
It's the Icy Brick Road Trail.
Thanks a lot, everybody.
All right, you have a great time.
Thanks very much for the jackets. All right, we're heading in. All right, we're heading in. I hope our cameras work in this frigid weather. I think it's 9 degrees in the tent. You go through a couple doors here. Head outside. Beautiful out here. Making our way down. Definitely a good night to come out. Just run right through all the queues. I mean, as most parks and attractions, it's stop and go, but we just stop to take pictures and we just keep right on going. Right out that way is Washington, D.C. And here's the ice tent with the Grinch. We have a door greeter. Hey, thanks very much. All right, and we're heading in. Oh, this feels good.
That is cold, that is cold.
This is really cool. Cool and cold. Welcome to Ice. And here's where the story begins on how the Grinch Stole Christmas by Dr. Seuss. North of Whoville. There's the Grinch. Doesn't look too happy. Nice igloo here. Absolutely beautiful. It's really nice in here, and what a day to come. Nobody in front or behind us as we get ready to welcome to Whoville. So the ice is amazing. Wow. Really nice. Great carvings. All right, on to Whoville as we're greeted by this ice train. And actually, I know a little bit about trains. This is a G-scale train track with LGB train running underneath. Probably one of the only things that is not made of ice is that train there. That is wood. There he is. There's only half of him. And he's looking pretty angry. Just look at those eyes. A lot of these green Whoville trees, along with lots of snowflakes. You'll see the Grinch there with his faithful companion. You know, did the dog have a name, or was his name just Dog? Just tell me at the bottom. Well, they have a little safety here for your the ice slide. Children under 4 years or under 40 inches will be allowed on the children's slide only. You get to walk through this big ice candy cane. As we go through here, oh, the Grinch going down the chimney. I don't know if we have any kids going down the slides or not, but this area is for the kids down the ice slide. Nobody coming down.
Oh man!
That big guy went down it. That's
again, holding it the other way.
Look out there, buddy. Woo! Oh, there's the Grinch stealing out of the cupboards while the Who's are sleeping. Heading down the chimney, stealing the stockings now. Head upstairs. This is where you can catch the slide. These guys are like, hey, you go down the slide. Are you kidding me?
Yes. Yes.
There it is. Down the slide. All right, here we go. I didn't do this right, but... Oh. That was actually pretty good. I didn't get on my jacket though.
I know, that's the hard part.
Yeah. Well, what you need to do is you need to lay on your jacket, then you go flying down. But that was still pretty good. Alrighty. We'll just head off down here. Alright, let's head into the tunnel. Wow, this is really cool. Look at that ceiling.
Yeah.
You got like stalactites.
Try one with or without the fries.
Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah.
It's amazing how crystal clear the water, the ice here is smooth. Probably from just everybody rubbing on it. Really nice. Well, all the Who's here are singing. As the Grinch watches from the top of his mountain up there, and he's starting to have feelings in the heart. Look at that thing going. Leave the singing Who's. It's celebration time. Packages and candy. Everybody's happy. Here's the Who feast. Let's go down the table. Some crazy saucers and cups there. I wonder if that's an ice cream cake. There he is cutting the roast beefs. The end, and out we go. Well, that was pretty good. Definitely bring a hat and some. I got gloves on the other hand because I couldn't use my iPad with that. But it took about 20 minutes with a bunch of stops and all that. As you can see, there is no crowd here at all. Brought my brother with me. He's behind there somewhere. I don't know where he went. But ticket prices were $33, and there's a lot to see. So let's continue our journey. After the end, it's, oh my, look at this. This is incredible. Clear ice nativity scene.
Of gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
This is amazing.
As a king, healer, and man of God. Today, as part of Gaylord National's Christmas on the Potomac, we invite you to help us celebrate this special season and hope that you enjoy our interpretation.
And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you come in from the cold and you get a hot cocoa, mini marshmallows, and then into the souvenir shop. Now that is a big penguin. Kiddie train ride, or I guess maybe the adults can get on there with their kids. I can't remember the last time I seen a Build-A-Bear workshop. I thought they went out of business. I guess not. Well, I'm not going to do this ice slide, but grab a tube over there and go shooting down the ice hill. I'm going to get me a photo of Santa.
Wow, that's a nice tube. What is that?
Well, thanks, Santa. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Make our way out, come back again, Christmas Village. They're getting ready to do a laser light show here at the Gaylord Palms Hotel. That'd be a good spot up there, looking out of your room, just to look at this massive hotel here. And the light show is starting. A treehouse village display.
That's going to do it from the Gaylord Hotel. And on that note, traveler out.